A contingency fee is an agreement whereby an attorney or other type of contractor is paid based on their performance rather than on an hourly or per job basis. Here, we'll give an overview of contingency fees and how they work in law and other professions. Contingency fees in law. Contingency fees are most commonly seen when a client contracts with an attorney. In some cases of contingency fees, clients may not have enough money to be able to pay the attorney by the hour or upfront. And in others, the contingency compensation could far outweigh any other type of pay agreement, which means the attorney would garner higher profits. However, if the case is not won, the client would not have to pay a dime. Contingency charges in average cases sit at around a third, or about 33.3% of the recovery, which is the amount paid to the client. If the client is awarded money and has a 33% contingency arrangement with their attorney, the attorney would collect 33% of the total payout. However, contingency fees paid to attorneys are usually staggered depending on how much work they have to put out into the case. The following is a common example. 25% of proceeds collected before a lawsuit is filed, 33.3% if the case is settled after a lawsuit is filed, 40% if the case is settled after the first trial date, 50% if the case goes to trial and a judgment is administered. Other contingency fee examples. Although a contingent fee is commonly used by attorneys, it can be put to use in many trades. For example, if a business were to hire a consultant on contingency, it would mean that payout would only be promised should there be an agreed upon return of results. There are pros and cons to contingencies in other trades. For the client, it either guarantees a good result or not having to pay. For the contractor, there is a chance of receiving no pay for their hard work, but if the results are favorable, agreements are usually set to provide a substantial profit. The latter should also be considered by the client. If you need a contingency agreement for legal services, we have you covered. We're eForms, the world's biggest online database for legal documents. We've already created a complete contingency fee agreement template, and it's ready for you to download for free at the link below. Get it now and make your contract in just a few minutes.